private university. So is there any possibility, any chance in the future that we will have American Tajik universities?
Russian American Tajik University? It's a very good question. Thank you very much for it. It's difficult for us to say definitively whether that would happen. The United States is not sponsored, the government is not sponsored universities per se. So the United States government cannot come in and say, let's do we'll provide money and partner with the Tajik government to have a United States Tajik university. That would have to be a private venture. In other words, it'd have to be individuals who want to create a university, who have the ability to do it, to partner with the Tajik government, and perhaps bring in elements of the curriculum from an American university to do that. So again, that goes back to a little bit to my answer on private investment or American investment in Tajikistan. That's something we're working on, trying to get more American firms to see the benefits, while at the same time working with the Tajik government to make the laws simpler and make the business environment better and easier for foreign companies to invest. But the short answer is it'd have to be a private investment that would do that, and I don't know of one right now that's in the works. So I think it would be great if we had it. I think it's nice to combine, and I think it's a benefit to students anywhere in the world in which you have parts of two cultures, two educational systems in one, in which students can take advantage of the best of both countries. But in the short term, I don't know of any plans to do that here in Tajikistan.